There are lots of opportunities to meet people in this course. There are lots of opportunities to meet people in this course.
I could not save my work as my computer got crashed. I could not save my work as my computer got crashed.
Will those happy days ever be forgotten by you? Will those happy days ever be forgotten by you?
Number the beakers and put them away until tomorrow. Number the beakers and put them away until tomorrow.
The study of archaeology requires intensive international fieldwork. The study of archaeology requires intensive international fieldwork.
You are recommended to only use footnotes when they are necessary. You are recommended to only use footnotes when they are necessary.
Please submit your term papers to the General Office. Please submit your term papers to the General Office. Modern businesses have adapted and been flexible in order to survive. Modern businesses have adapted and been flexible in order to survive. Don't drink any alcohol even if you drive carefully. Don't drink any alcohol even if you drive carefully.
The student welfare officer can help with questions about exam techniques. The student welfare officer can help with questions about exam techniques.
We will study the following two pictures in the next lecture. We will study the following two pictures in the next lecture.
Make sure you correctly cite all your sources. Make sure you correctly cite all your sources.
The clear evidence between brain events and behavioral events is fascinating. The clear evidence between brain events and behavioral events is fascinating.
You can retake the module if your marks are too low. You can retake the module if your marks are too low. The first person in space was from the Soviet Union. The first person in space was from the Soviet Union.
An essay should use evidence from both primary and secondary sources. An essay should use evidence from both primary and secondary sources.
She told the faculty to be very supportive. She told the faculty to be very supportive.
I would like an egg and tomatoes on white sandwich bread with orange juice. I would like an egg and tomatoes on white sandwich bread with orange juice.
The lecture on child psychology has been postponed until Friday. The lecture on child psychology has been postponed until Friday.
She is an expert of the 18th century French literature. She is an expert of the 18th century French literature.